In this world, there are two types of people: people with good habits and people with bad habits. Today, we will see the difference.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucy. I love sharing my good habits with you. I eat healthy food like fruits and veggies. I play outside and get lots of exercise. Good morning. Today will be a good day. Exercise keeps our muscles strong and our hearts healthy. Even a few minutes of activity every morning makes a big difference.
This banana looks so yummy. Yum. These grapes are sweet and juicy. Time for some milk. A healthy breakfast gives me so much energy. Drinking water keeps our body healthy and helps us stay active. It's important to drink water regularly every day. This is so yummy. I love the crunch. Now what should I try next? Maybe one of these bananas? Or an orange! Choosing healthy snacks helps me stay active and focused. Fruits and nuts are better than candy for my body. Washing hands with soap helps remove germs. We should wash our hands before eating and after playing.
That's a great question, Emma. Who can tell me?
Is it about plants and animals?
And the weather!
Exactly! Emma, can you explain what an ecosystem is?
Yes! An ecosystem is all the living and non-living things in a place, like a forest. They all work together.
Wonderful, Emma. A perfect answer.
Playing outside helps my body stay active and strong. Fresh air and sunlight are good for my health. Wow, you're so fast! Let me join! Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go! Whee! We're jumping so high! Best jump rope ever.
This broccoli is yummy. Now for the chicken. So juicy and tender. Time for a drink. Some rice, I'm all done.
Resting helps my body feel fresh and active again. A short nap can give me more energy for the day. Going to bed on time helps my body rest and grow. Good sleep gives me energy for a healthy new day.
This is Emma. She has bad habits. She wakes up late. She does not clean her room. She does not take care of herself.
One more video. This is fun. I am not sleepy. I will sleep later. Just a little more.
Ring!
I am sleepy. I don't want to wake up.
5 more minutes.
I will sleep more. It is very bright. I feel so tired. I don't want to get up. I will sit for a moment. My room is messy. I will clean later. I don't want to do it now. It is okay. I will go outside. I am in a hurry. I am very late. Brush fast, brush fast, brush, okay. I will go now. I am very late. I need to run fast. Oh no. I don't want to be late. I must hurry.
Emma, you are late.
Sorry.
This is not good.
I am sorry.
Sit down.
I feel very tired. I want to sleep.
My eyes are closing.
I cannot focus.
I like this burger. It is very tasty. I want more brie. I eat this every day. This is so good. Why do I look so sad? I can't stay like this. I need to take care of myself. There, that's better.
I feel very sick. I don't break. I want to rest. I feel so bad.
This is Emma with bad habits, and this is Lucy with good habits. Which of one do you prefer to be? Think and choose wisely.